Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset your Panasonic AC without remote. So to do it, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you need to flip the AC circuit breaker in your fuse box. So locate the circuit breaker, and then you just need to wait for like 5 minutes, and then press the circuit breaker back again. So that's what you need to do. Pretty simple, right? So try it out, turn off the circuit breaker, then turn the circuit breaker back on, and that's how we're gonna do it.